Hi, welcome to this quick cool down stretch session and welcome to my channel. Please give this video a like and do subscribe if you haven't. Today we are starting from the upper muscles and working our way down. So we are stretching the neck now. So just do it with me. You are using your hand to apply a very slight pressure to get a little more stretch. It's like we want the same things, but the lines drawn at you parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe. A little neck roll. Next, shoulder joint rotations. Do it just like so.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Next, the shoulder and arm stretch,
10,
like so.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Move to the other side.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright then, triceps stretch. You bend your arm over your head, then take the other hand and pull at the elbow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bend, grab, and pull.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Still stretching the arms. Push so you can feel the stretch throughout the arms.
6, 5.
Your arms undergo some stress while you work out, so it's good to take out time and give it a good stretch. Next is chest stretch. Please watch closely. Place your hand on the wall like this and rotate so that you feel it on your chest.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Your hands not in front but behind, and then rotate your trunk face forward.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're moving to the trunk now. Trunk rotations. Just like so. Your feet facing forward, shoulder width apart. Rotating just your trunk.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars.
This move effectively stretches a large range of muscles.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The other side.
10,
Lean into the stretch.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Legs straight. Take your hands inside to get a little more stretch.
9,
But don't force it, just stop where you're comfortable.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now we're going into the standing glutes stretch.
9, 8,
You should be feeling the stretch on your glutes and hamstrings.
3, 2, 1.
You out now,
9,
see all
8,
blue. There's so
7,
much cold
6,
in you.
5, 4,
And the silence
3,
is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow.
Hamstring stretch in a side lunge. You You should be feeling the stretch in your hamstrings. Take the position just like so.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And your heart makes no sound. I'll find validity.
Alright then, get your mats. We're getting comfortable on the floor. We are going into the child pose, just like so. We're stretching the back, the hip, the thighs, the ankles. Yes, it's a good one.
2, 1.
The cobra pose.
10.
It stretches a large range of muscles, but try and concentrate on stretching the hips and the groin area.
3, 2, 1.
You'll always be my night sky.
Alright, get into this kind of split position. Grab hold of your ankle and apply some pressure so you feel it on your quads.
6, 5, 4, 3,
We're stretching the quads.
2, 1.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
Other side.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Call
1.
me all night long. Try to give you hints in the heart.
Get into a supine lying position and put one leg across your trunk like so. This is hands down my best stretch ever. It's so satisfying.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to
10,
you.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
I don't wanna
3,
fight with you.
2,
I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
And that's it, guys. Thank you for stretching with me. A good stretch after workout prevents muscle soreness. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and follow me on my other social media pages. Thank you. Till next time. Goodbye.